In the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic, many of us are looking at our own health and we're wondering, am I healthy enough to withstand this virus? Well, the truth of the matter is that even if you're living a relatively healthy lifestyle, your body may not be as resilient as you think it is. But the good news is that 70% of our health, our well-being, our vitality and energy, our longevity, and even the ability to be lean and fit is in our control. What you eat and what you put in your body on a regular basis really does make a difference. That old cliche that says you are what you eat really is the truth. And food can be both the cause of many diseases, but it can also be your best cure and your best prevention. Hi, I'm Robyn Thomson. I'm the co-author of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet, and I've been a health and weight loss coach for over 25 years. In my presentation, You Are What You Eat, you'll discover that there is no one-size eating plan that fits every single body. But what you will find out is the plan and the foods that are best for you. I'll share with you 5 essentials for gaining your best health, your best vitality, your best immunity, and your best plan for long-term weight loss.